When it comes to organizing, I absolutely love useful products like this two-tier height adjustable Lazy Susan I found on Amazon. It is absolutely amazing. It comes all in pieces and you gotta put it together. It is super easy. You just want to snap on the top and the bottom and you're ready to go. The bins are optional. You can add them if you would like. You don't have to, but I think they add so much dimension and they can help hold everything and make sure nothing falls from the top. This is also great to display a variety of things. You can go ahead and put in cosmetics, perfumes, spices, or if you want to serve a bunch of people, put some different nuts or candy on the bottom and fruits on the top. That way everyone can reach in and have access all the way around. Now for the height adjustment, it is super easy. You have this little latch right here. You just want to pull it forward and make sure it pops open like so, and then you can pull this up as much as you want. This is as much as it goes. It definitely gives you a big difference of height, and I love that it's adjustable. It makes everything a little bit easier whenever you're trying to place bigger products down here. I definitely recommend anyone to have this because you can just organize anything with it. The possibilities are truly endless.